of the wire. I hope all of you are doing good. All are safe. And today we are here for the video where title is 20 most important questions for the TISSNET 2024. And this is the set 1 of the most important questions. Remember, all the questions will be important as the TISSNET point of view. Mostly few questions are repeated in a previous year papers and all important concepts are there. So directly jump towards the questions, and here is your question number 1 on your screen. Let's try to solve it. What are they saying in the question number 1? If each side of a cube is double, then its volume. Side of a cube is a double, what will be the volume? I know that what is the side and what is the volume. Volume of cube for the cube. If side is a, volume is a cube. But what are they saying? That side is a double. That means new side is a 2a. So volume will be twice of a's cube. That means 8a cube. So if you see, it has been increased by what? It will become the 8 times of the original. So your answer will be equals to 8 times. That means option number D is here. First question was conceptual based questions from me. Now let's go for the second question. So the second question is on the screen. So what are they saying in the second question? Let's read it. If the cost price of 120 mangoes is equals to selling price of 100 mangoes, what is the profit percentage? 120 of CP is equals to 100 of SP. So if you find out the ratio of CP by SP, it will become 100 by 120. So what will be this ratio? 25s are 26 are. So CP by SP ratio is a 5 by 6, which means if your CP is a 5 rupees, SP will be 6 rupees. You are buying at 5 rupees, selling at 6 rupees. So what will be your profit? Profit will be SP minus CP. Here SP minus CP will be equals to what? 6 minus 5 is 1 rupees. So percent profit will be equal to P by CP into 100. That means 1 upon 5 into 100. 1 by 5 ratio is nothing but the 20%. So your answer will be equals to option number C, 20%. Easier one. Now let's go for the third question. Next question is here. Question number 3 is a box contains 21 balls numbered 1 to 21. A ball is drawn and then another ball is drawn without replacement. You have to take out 2 balls without replacement. What is the probability that both the balls are the even numbers? Total balls are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to the 21. What is the probability of even number? Even numbers are how much? Total number is equal to what? Number of set is a 21. Out of which how many even numbers are there? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. That means there are total 10 even number. So what will be the probability? 10 numbers out of 21. For the first ball, probability will be 10 by 21. For the second ball, if I am taking without replacement, which means next time there will be only 20 balls remain. Out of those 20, if 10 means one even ball is already taken out, so remaining will be 9. So what will be this ratio? 0, 0 cancelled. 9 by 42 is nothing but what? 3 3s are 3 into 14s are. So your answer will be 3 by 14 will be your answer. So option number C is your answer. Easier one. That's it. Now let's go for the next question. Question number 4. Let's see what are they saying. These all our questions are either repeated or the most important. So let's see this question. Which of the following set is non-empty? We have to find out for the non-empty. So let's see. First is that A is the option where A, set of odd natural number which are divisible by 2. First thing, natural number. Natural number starts from the 1. And divisible by 2 means all are the number which are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. All are the even number. So there is no any natural odd number which is divisible by 2. So first set will be empty. Now set number B. What is the set B? X, where x plus 5 is equals to 0. They are saying that x plus 5 should be equals to 0 and x belongs to natural number. Natural number means at least 1. If I substitute here 1 plus 5, it will become 6. 2 plus 5 will be 7. So it is not equal to 0, right? Any natural number plus 5 is not equal to 0. So we can say that set B is also empty. Now set C. What they are saying about set C? Set of even prime number. We know that there is only one even prime number, which is a 2. 2 is the only even number which is the prime. Otherwise, no even number is a prime because all even number are divisible by 2. So only 2 is the even prime number. So of course, answer will be option number C. We can cross check for D. D is a x is belongs to x is what? We know that it is a less than 2 and greater than 1. And x is a natural number. So natural numbers are 1 or 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there is no any number between 1 to 2. So this is also the empty set. So your answer will be option number C. Is there. Now let's solve the next one. Question number 5 is here. This one is again mostly you can see in the TISSNET they always ask you the conceptual based questions. So what are they saying here? If A represent the arithmetic mean AM is equals to A. H represent the harmonic mean is equals to H. And G represents the geometric mean. Then they are saying that what is the relation between them? So I always know that geometric mean square is equal to A into H. Arithmetic mean into harmonic mean. Or we can say that G is equal to root of A into H. So from the option, we can say this option, which is the answer option number B will be your answer. Easier. Now let's solve the next one. What are they saying in this question? Now let's see. A man walked 1 kilometer on first day, 2 kilometer on second day, 3 kilometer on third day, and so on. So the total distance the man covers in a 10 days. So that will be equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus up to the 10. So what I know that what is the sum of n natural number? Sum of n natural number is equals to n into n plus 1 by 2. What is it? Sum of n natural number. So what is this n? Here value of n is equals to 10. So it will be equal to 10 into 10 plus 1 will be 11 by 2. 2 5s are 11 5s are 55. So your answer will be equals to option number C. Total distance covered is a 55 kilometer. Up to 10 days, he will cover total 55 kilometer. Easier. Now let's go for the next one. This is a question number 7. Try to solve it. What are they saying in this question now? In a larger circular pool of 20 feet diameter, two frogs start swimming from east and west ends of the pool named A and C respectively. Suppose this is a pool where A and C, where they are saying that A and C as a east is the A, this is the east, and C is a west. Okay, this is the east, this is the west, and this is what diameter. This what is this diameter? Diameter is the 20 meter. Then what are they saying? 20 feet. Sorry, 20 feet is the diameter. Then they are saying that towards a worm on the northern edge of the pool at point B. Let me read it again. What are they saying? That two frogs start swimming from the east and the west, means these 2 points named A and C, towards a worm on the northern edge of the pool at point B. Northern edge means this will be the point B, and they are walking like this. This one frog is coming from C to B, one frog is coming from A to B. This is how they are walking. Then they say that what is the measure of an angle ABC? What will be this angle? Now, always remember if in a circle, one triangle is drawn which is going through the diameter, then the another angle, opposite angle of the diameter is always equals to 90 degrees. That will be always equals to 90 degrees. So your answer will be equals to 90 degrees. Always remember it. You can draw like anywhere. Like suppose if I draw this triangle, this one will also make a 90 degree. Suppose if I draw this triangle, this one will also make a 90 degree. Why? Because this is going through the diameter. So your answer will be option number C. 90 degree means question was lengthier, but solution is completely conceptual, which is a easier one. That's it. Let's go for the next one now. Question number 8 is here. Again, this is a conceptual question. Difference of the square of two consecutive natural number is. Always remember that if there are the two consecutive natural number, then always remember difference of their square. Difference of square will be always equals to sum of those two numbers. Sum of those two numbers or addition of those two numbers. Always remember this. This answer will be always sum. That is option number C. We can check for any number. Like suppose 8 and 9. Let's take 8 and 9. 9 square is 81. 8 square is 64. This one will be what? 81 minus 64 is equals to 17, which is equal to sum of 8 plus 9. We can cross check for any number. If you take suppose 16 and 15. Suppose 16 square is 256. 15 square is 225. This difference will be equals to what? 25 plus 6, 31. Where sum of these two numbers is also 31. We can cross check for any number. You can check for 3 square and 4 square, 3 square and 2 square, 5 square and 6 square. Always remember that difference of the square of any two consecutive natural number. Those numbers should be consecutive. Their difference will be always equals to the sum of those two numbers. Easier one. Option number C. Now let's go for the next question. Question number 9 is here. What are they saying in this question? If the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c, that means this is a quadratic equation where a is not equal to 0 be equal. They are saying that ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 and they are saying that roots are equal. If roots are equal, then what is the equation for equal roots? Then they are saying that which of the following expressions are correct. I know that when roots are equal, we say that b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. If this value is 0, then and then only we say that roots will be equal. So this 4ac will goes to that side. B square is equal to 4ac. Option is in the form of the C. So C will be equals to b square upon 4a and that's it. This is your answer. Easier. Answer will be option number b square by 4a. That means option number C will be your easier. Isn't it? Now let's go for the next question. Question number 10 is here on the screen. Let's try to solve it. What are they saying in this question number 10? A person goes from X to Y on a cycle at 20 kilometers per hour and returns at 24 kilometers per hour. He's going by 20 means at 1 kilometer per hour. Returning, that means it's covering the same distance with Y or B kilometer per hour. Then they say that the method of central tendency most appropriate to calculate the average speed. What is the formula for average speed? Average speed when the distance is the same is equal to 2ab upon a plus b, where a is equal to first speed 1, and b is equal to speed 2 when distance is the same. This is the formula when distance is the same. And they are saying that as per the options, which is the most appropriate central tendency. You can see the weighted arithmetic mean is not possible, geometric mean is not possible. So of course, this is the formula of the harmonic mean. So this one will be equals to what? Harmonic mean. Because formula for harmonic mean is the same. So answer will be option number C. That's it. Easier. Now, let's understand the next question. Remember, these all questions are the most important as the TISS point of view because mostly are conceptual based questions. In this one, they are saying that if log of a by b plus log of b by a, log of a by b plus log of b by a is equals to log of a plus b. Okay. Then they are asking you here, which of the following statement is it correct? Let's solve this equation. You can see this is a sign of plus. So we can write down this as the a by b into b by a by using the first rule that log m plus log n is equal to log of m into n. So log of a by b into log of b by a, which is equal to log of this one will be as it is a plus b. Now you can see a cancelled, b cancelled. So this is what log 1 is equals to log of a plus b. So we can see here, if I cancel out this log because for both the side log 1 log a by a plus b. So if I cancel one log, I will get the answer as a plus b is equals to 1. And this is the equation. That's it. Option number A was here. Easier. Now let's solve the next question. You can see all questions are easy but conceptual. Now what are they saying in this question? Let's read it. Three friends, Rudra, Shiva and Anvesh, start to run around a circular stadium. They complete a revolution in 24, 36 and 30 seconds respectively. After how many minutes will they meet at the starting point? I know that whenever it is a circle and they are running in a circle, they meet after at least at their LCM. So simply you can find out the LCM of which are those numbers 24, 36 and 30. So either you can find out by any method, factorization or anything. So let's find out, like suppose this 24, 36 and 30. If I divide by 6, 6 4s are 6 are 5 are. 2, 2 2s are 3s are 5s are. Okay, it will be 2, 3 and 5, right? 3, 5, sorry, 1, 1, 5, 1, 1, 1. So what will be the LCM? LCM will be multiplication of all of this. So LCM will be equals to what? 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 30 2s are 60, 66 are 360 seconds because these all were in the seconds. But what is the option they can say? After how many minutes will they meet? They are not asking about the seconds. So what is mean by 360 seconds? 360 seconds is equal to 360 by 60. That means 6 minutes. So your answer will be equals to 6, not 360. Most of the people make mistake here. Simply mark 360, but remember that they are asking you after how many minutes will they make. And these were the time in the seconds. So you have to convert it into the minutes. Your answer will be 6. Okay, I hope you have understood. Now let's go for the next question. Question number 13 is here. What are they saying in this question number 13? ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB is equals to AC. The vertex triangle A measures 8 times the measure of a base angle. AD is the angle bisector of vertex angle A. What is the measure of angle BAD? Oh. Suppose this is the triangle where they are saying that AB is equals to AC and A is a vertex measure. That means A, B and C. And if AB is equals to AC, so can I say that these two angles will be also equals? Obviously. Then they are saying that vertex angle A is 8 times of the base angle. So if this is the X and this is the X, this will be 8 times of the X. What I know that what is the sum of the angles of a triangle? That is equals to 180. So 8x plus x is equal to 180. 8 plus 1 plus 1, 10x. 10x is equals to 180. That means you can say that value of x is equal to 18 degree. Then what are they saying here? They are saying that if this 8x is a 18 degree. So what will be this 8x? Angle BAC which is equal to 8x which will be equal to 18 to 18. That means 140 4. Angle BAC is a 144. But they haven't asked you BAC. They are saying that if AD is the angle bisector of vertex A. Angle bisector means it will be exactly divide in a half. Then they are asking you angle BAD. So this angle will be equals to what? Half of 8x means 4x. So you can say that angle BAD, which is equal to 4x, which is equal to 4 into 18, that means 72 degree. So your answer will be 72 degree, not 144. Most of the people will do this, directly find out 144 and mark the answer, but that is not the answer. Remember that we required a half of it because BAD is a bisector. So answer will be 72 degree, option number C. Okay, clear? Now let's solve the next question. Let's read it. What are they saying in this question now? In a triangular shaped bus station, there is a space for 279 bus in a first row, 277 bus in a second row, 275 in a third, and so on. There is a space for 5 buses in the last row. So, how many rows in the station? Like at the first, there will be 279, then 277, 275, and so on. And at the last, there is a 5. So, if you observe it, what can you say that first term A is equals to 279. Last term AN will be equals to 5. Difference is a what? Difference is a minus 2. Difference is equals to minus 2. We have to find out n is equals to what? So we have a formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. An is a 1 which is equal to 2. Sorry, a1 is a n is a 5 which is equal to a is a 279 plus n minus 1 into d was your minus 2. So you can see here this minus 2, it will become twice of n minus 1, which is equal to 279 minus 5 is 274. So n minus 1 will be equal to 70. Sorry, this was a 274. 274 by 2. That means what will it be equal to? 2 ones are, 2 threes are, 2 sevens are. So n minus 1 is equal to 137. So n will be equals to 137 plus 1 will be 138. So your answer will be equals to 138. That is option number D is your answer. Isn't it easier? This is your question of TISS 2023. It was easier. So the next question, question number 15 is here, and that is the question of a series. 440, 360, 288, 224 question mark. We will find out the difference here. What is the difference? Let's find out. 40, 40, 80. We are taking minus 80. Here, what is the difference? 12 and 60. That means 72. Minus 72. Here, what will be the difference? 44 and 20 means 64. Minus 64. So, if you see 80, 72, 64, that means this difference is also taken as a minus 8, right? 80, 72, 64 means difference ka difference bhi kitna hai? 8, 8 is the difference. So next difference will be equals to what? Minus 56. So 224 minus 56 will be equals to how much? 14 minus 6, 18. 21 minus 5 is a 16. So next number will be equals to 168. That is option number C will be your answer. Easier one. Now let's go for the next question. So question number 16 is here on the screen. What are they saying in this question number 16? If a year starts and ends on this Sunday, then on which day of the week will 1st April fall in that year? First thing, if that year start and end on the same day, which means the year is a ordinary year, isn't it? Because what I know that ordinary years start and end on the same day. Start and end on same day. That means that is the ordinary year. Ordinary year means pay is of only 28 days. There is no any extra day. So I know that 1st Jan is on what? 1st Jan is on the Sunday. And I have to find out for 1st April. So I have to reach from Jan to April. What will you do? Jan plus Feb plus March plus April. Is it? And what I know that in a Jan, I know the day of a 1st Jan. So what will be the remaining days? Jan is of total 31 days. Out of 31, first I know. So remaining days of Jan will be 30. Of the Feb, as an ordinary year, Feb will be 28 days. March has a 31 days. And I have to find out of the 1st April. So for the April, I will take only 1 day. So if you find out the odd days in a Jan out of 30, how many odd days are there? If you divide by 7, 7 4s are 28. That means 2 are the odd days from the Jan. In a Feb 28, which is divisible by 7, so 0 odd days. In a March 31, if you divide by 7, 7 4s are 28, remainder is a 3, which means 3 odd days are there. And here it is a 1 odd day. So 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, total are the 6 odd days. So you will add simply Sunday plus 6. Sunday plus 6 will be equals to what? Saturday. So in this year, 1st April will be on the Saturday. Option number A will be your answer. Easier. Only this was the important, as it start and end on the same day, which means it is a ordinary year. Ordinary year means Feb is only of the 28 days. That was the important concept. So I hope you have understood this question. Now let's go for the next question. Question number 17. What are they saying in this question number 17? Kishan Kant walks 10 kilometers towards the north. From there, he walks 6 kilometers south. Okay. Suppose from this point, he is going 10 kilometers towards the north. Total 10. And from this point, again 6 kilometers south. South means again below side, right? It will again come to the this side. So he is again coming the in a reverse. Means he has taken the U-turn and he walks 6 kilometers. 6 means suppose now he has reached up to this point. Okay, this is a 6 kilometer. First he is going here from A point to B. Now again from B to C at a 6 kilometer. Then he walks 3 kilometer towards the east. That means from this point he is going a 3 kilometer towards the east. So this is a 3 kilometer towards the east. Then how far and in which direction is he with reference to the starting point? So in this A to D, what is this direction and what is the distance? If I know that this total was a 10, out of which this is a 6. So this will be 4. So as per the Pythagoras theorem, you can say that AD square is equal to AC square plus CD square. So it will be 4 square plus 3 square. That means 16 plus 9 is a 25. So AD will be equal to root of 25 is nothing but the 5. That means this is the 5. So he is now 5 kilometer away from the starting point. But in which direction? Which is this direction? He is towards the right side means east and upper side means north. That means this is the direction of northeast. So 5 kilometer northeast will be your answer. So option number northeast means option number A is your answer. That's it. Easier. Directions questions are also the important for the TISSNET. So let's go for the next question now. Question number 18 is here on screen. What are they saying in this question? A dishonest dealer claims to sell his goods at 20% discount, but uses a weight of 100 gram for weighing a 1 kg of the goods. 1 kg means 1000 gram. For this 1000 gram, what is he doing? He is using only of the 800 gram. That means his cost price is only the 800. Because उसने 1000 की जगह पे 800 ही यूज किया है. That means he is selling only 800 gram. So cost price will be 800. And he says that he will sold at 20% discount. So 20% discount, that means 20% of 1000 is a 200 rupees. That means he is selling at a 800 rupees. This is his selling price. So cost price is 800, selling price is 100. What will be the profit or loss? As I know that CP is equal to SP, so there will be no profit or no loss. No profit or loss. Nothing will be there. It's selling at the CP only. So answer will be option number C. Easier. Only you have to understand that he's selling 800 only because he's taking only 800 gram weight. That means 200 grams already cheat kiya hai. So it's selling 800. It's giving discount of 20% means selling price is also 800. So answer will be no profit. Okay. Now let's go for the next question. Question number 19 is here. The difference between compound interest and simple interest on an amount of 15,000 for 2 years is a 96. For 2 years, what is the difference between SI and CI? We have to find out the rate of interest. For 2 years, difference is equal to P into R by 100 square. Is it? So difference is given as a 96 rupees. This is only for the 2 years. So difference is a 96. P is a 15,000 into R square. 100 square will be equals to 10. So you can simply see these 0 cancelled. So R square will be equals to what? 15 3s are 15 2s are. Sorry, 5 3s are 5 2s are. So 96 into 2 by 3. 3 3s are 3 2s are 32 into 2 is a 64. R square is a 64. So R will be root of 64. That means R will be equals to 8%. That is option number A will be your answer. Easier. You have to remember this formula. Okay. That one is an important question. And now let's solve the last question of this video. And that is of the series, which is the alphabet series question. So what are they saying in this question? Let's read it. Complete the following series where series is given as A, T, E, I, J, K and the question mark. This is the easiest series we can say. If you see A, they have skipped B and C. Means 2 letters skip, takes the next 2 letter. After that, F, G, H. Means skip 3 letter, take next 3 letter. So next time I will skip 4 letter. L, M, N, O. And next 4 letters are P, Q, R, S. Which will be your answer. And that's it. Option number B is your answer. So this was your last question. I hope you have understood all the questions in this video. And remember, all questions were the most important. Most of the questions are repeated in the previous year papers. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have liked, then please like this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and also share with your friends, also with your colleagues, all who are preparing. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you again in the next part. That's all. Bye-bye. Take care and stay safe.